Every bloodstain tells a tale of betrayal, secrets, and an unthinkable tragedy. Join us as we delve into the chilling revelations uncovered by a telltale pink hue. Hello, everyone. I am your host, the second body fluid evidence expert, here to bring us closer to a closed case. Welcome back to the Sandra Jackson case, Episode 6, A Bloody Tale, the Analysis of Body Fluids, Part 2. In the search for more crucial body fluid evidence, we perform the Kastle-Myers test. The Kastle-Myers test, a common forensic technique for detecting blood, involves swabbing a suspected blood stain and dampening it with distilled water. A chemical compound called phenolphthalein is then applied, along with ethanol, followed by drops of hydrogen peroxide. If the stain contains blood, a color change of a pink hue will appear due to the reaction between the hydrogen peroxide and the blood's hemoglobin. However, to ensure accuracy, it's crucial to run both a positive and negative control alongside the test. A positive control involves using a known blood sample to validate the test's effectiveness, while a negative control excludes the presence of blood to confirm the test's results. Despite its suggestive nature, further confirmatory tests are required to conclusively confirm the presence of blood. First, we examined evidence piece O.1a, a garden hoe, and used the Kastle-Myers test, which indeed indicated the presence of blood. However, upon closer inspection, the blood was identified as belonging to Chris Jackson. While this might have raised initial concerns with us about potential foul play, it's crucial to acknowledge the likelihood that Chris Jackson, given the nature of his profession, could have had an injury during work. This leaves Chris on the more innocent side. We examined evidence piece 12.2 next, a sample from pants found in the Jacksons' laundry room. A bright pink coloration immediately was shown as we performed this test. Our investigative team were fascinated and believed this to be incredibly important evidence because of how quickly it seemed to appear. We sent it off for gel electrophoresis. As a reminder, in crime scenes, gel electrophoresis sorts DNA samples, acting like a genetic map that helps match suspects to evidence. Lo and behold, the blood from these pants was that of Sandra Jackson, further supporting that Chris Jackson may have murdered his own wife. We were shocked, appalled. However, the trail of bloody evidence does not end here. We decided to test evidence number 12.11, a simple swab from the bathtub faucet in the Jacksons' bathroom. We performed our Kastle-Myers test, and an automatic pink coloration formed within seconds. We were also shocked by how fast this took off. We sent this off to gel electrophoresis, and once again, our sample was tested positive for Sandra Jackson's blood. The identification of Sandra Jackson's blood on Chris's clothing, as well as the bathtub faucet swab, directly links her to these locations, strongly suggesting foul play or significant event involving her blood, perhaps a murder. The accumulation of blood evidence intensifies the suspicion of foul play and strengthens suspicion of Chris's involvement in his wife's killing, murder, or suicide. So, what really happened to Sandra Jackson?